Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Bananas are seedless because they are triploid, but do you know why that stops reproduction? Let's break down this biology puzzle and find the answer fast. Triploid organisms like these bananas have 3 complete sets of chromosomes in their cells. This odd number creates a massive problem when the plant tries to undergo the process of meiosis. During meiosis, chromosomes must pair up perfectly to divide. Since there are 3 sets, they cannot pair evenly, leading to a chaotic mess that prevents the formation of healthy, viable gametes. Without functional gametes, the banana plant simply can't produce seeds at all. This disruption during the pairing phase makes option C the only logical choice for our final answer today. Boom. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs.